Hey everybody, it's Nick from Android Headlines, and this is our review of the iRobot Roomba 960. iRobot has faced a lot of tough competition since it debuted its first connected vacuum a few years ago. Since then, we've seen competitors lower the price bar and raise the feature set, all while seemingly outpacing iRobot on paper. Even through all this, the iRobot brand continues to flourish, and the company is responding to the ever-waging price wars by releasing the Roomba 960, a vacuum that looks nearly identical to its more expensive brother, the Roomba 980, all while retailing for $200 less. Visually, you're looking at an identical vacuum to the 980. Up top is the camera for scoping out the home, along with 3 buttons for toggling regular cleaning, spot cleaning, and sending the Roomba home. Underneath, you'll find a large rotating side brush with 3 bristles, a 360-degree spinning wheel, 2 thick and tough rubber wheels that extend about 2 inches for uneven surfaces, and a bevy of sensors including edge detection and dirt detection sensors. Even the dustbin and rollers underneath, called debris extractors by iRobot, remain the same as the Roomba 980. The only real changes, outside of a paint job of course, are the things you can't see. The Roomba 960 features the same Generation 2 motor as the Roomba 800 series, while the Roomba 980 has a more powerful Generation 3 motor with Carpet Boost mode. This Carpet Boost mode provides a rated 5 times more suction power, and it's likely that the 980 will be the better buy for folks with lots of carpets in their home. Also worth noting is the battery size, which is rated at 75 minutes of usage on the Roomba 960. This is a downgrade from the battery inside the Roomba 980, which is rated at 2 hours of usage. In fact, we found this 75-minute rating to be absolutely spot on, as the vacuum would work its way around the home for about an hour and a half, almost down to the minute, and then head back for a charge. A full charge takes about an hour and 15 minutes, and in total the average cleaning time for my 1,200 square foot house was just under 3 hours total, including charging time. This equated to about 900 square feet of cleaning power per charge versus about 1,200 square feet that we got with the Roomba 980. The vacuum automatically returns home and charges, resuming its job after filling up, but folks with a larger home and less time to mess with the vacuum running around might need to consider the implications here. Cleaning abilities were right on par with the Roomba 980, but it's worth noting my home is almost entirely wood and tile flooring, with only a few area rugs to really dig into. Cleaning up hair, dirt, food particles, and whatever else makes its way onto a hard floor surface didn't faze the Roomba 960. It kept on cleaning without leaving much of a trace, only missing the occasional particle in a corner. Roomba's rotating side brush helps nab particles from corners, and as such the round shape ends up being more beneficial in these sorts of circumstances. Carpet cleaning performance was good, but it's noticeably different from the Roomba 980. There's no carpet boost here like we said before, so the same suction level that's done on hardwood floors also happens on carpet. This likely won't affect customers without pets, but folks that do have pets will likely find stray hairs still sitting in the carpet. It's an unfortunate side effect of a weaker motor, and again, something that should be considered when weighing the differences between this cheaper Roomba 960 and the more expensive Roomba 980. Everything else here is pretty much the same though, including the dirt detect sensor that runs over extra dirty areas multiple times until it deems it clean, as well as the edge detect sensors which keep the Roomba from tumbling over hazardous cliffs like stairs or ledges. It even comes with a single virtual wall, which is a tower with 2 different modes that allows you to block off rooms or areas of your home where you don't want the Roomba to go. Sometimes these can be a little finicky though, as the Roomba doesn't want to go anywhere near it regardless of the mode, but it's considerably more elegant solution than the tacky magnetic strips that some other competitors use. Even pairing with the app is the same, hooking up to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi channel in your home and allowing control anywhere you have internet connectivity. iRobot recently added in Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa support, so asking your favorite virtual assistant to start, pause, or stop the Roomba is a mere few words away. Okay Google, tell Roomba to start cleaning.
Sure, here's Roomba. Okay, K2SO has started cleaning.
There's even a new visual map system that's displayed after a job has been completed, showing an incredibly accurate map of your dwelling and where the Roomba might have missed. It's also incredibly handy when the Roomba ends a job stuck, letting you know where in your home it ended up. The only issue here is that the map is not viewable in real time, leaving you to wait until the job is done to find out where the vacuum actually is. And of course, this brings us to the price point. At $700, this puts the Roomba 960 right in line with the NeatoBot Vac Connected, and about double the price of the Xiaomi Mi Robot vacuum, depending on where you live in the world, of course. This is a big deal for many consumers, and of course it's pretty difficult to justify the massive difference in price tag. Xiaomi offers many of these features for significantly less, but it's worth noting a few differences in key areas. The Roomba 960 is readily available in stores, whereas you'll most likely need to ship Xiaomi's vacuum from a third-party retailer that sells Chinese goods, although you can also find it from third parties on Amazon for a little higher price. iRobot offers more languages for their app, and also offers customer support in a number of countries that Xiaomi doesn't. The Roomba 960 ties in with Google Assistant and Alexa, and it offers things like out-of-the-box virtual barriers and better traversal of thicker rugs like shag carpeting than most robot vacuums do. Do these things justify a higher price tag? It's up to you to decide. But in the end, it's pretty difficult to not be happy with the performance of the Roomba 960. It really is a great robot vacuum. We hope you enjoyed that review and will subscribe to us for more regularly updated content. Chat with us on your favorite social media network, and don't forget to check out AndroidHeadlines.com for 24/7 tech news coverage. Thanks for watching, and until next time.